أحنا Iqbal bin Raflizan. I'm from class AA, and my assignment one is Asia vs Cruise.
My name is Sofia Safrina binti Suhairi from class HM 112AB, assignment 1A Asia and Malaysia Airlines.
My name is Aina Nurhairunisa binti Jaafar from class THM 1112AA. Assignment 1 is Hilton and Hostel Work.
And I, Aliana Lisa binti Nurlisa from THM 112AA, and my assignment 1 is Apple versus Samsung.
Today is gather here to Dubai to the whole Hilton app. He tries his best, but sadly he cannot keep up with guest needs.
I couldn't find hotel information. My digital key kept failing. I had to go to the front desk again. You will be remember.
I'm sorry, an update. It's time for a better vision. Goodbye.
Wait, don't worry, the new Hilton app is here. Welcome to new Hilton app.
Yay!
Alright, first of all, we go to organization background. Company overview. Official name of Hilton is Hilton Worldwide Holding Incorporated. The founder is Conrad Hilton, established in 1990 in Frisco, Texas. Headquarters is McLean, Virginia, and United States. The industry status is one of the largest and fastest growing hospitality companies in the world. Moving on
to our next section, let's take a look at Hilton's global skills and brand portfolio to understand just how massive their footprint is in the hospitality industry. Global presence, but what do these 24 brands look like in action? That brings us to their massive global presence. Today, Hilton features more than 7,500 properties worldwide. To put that into perspective, that translates to nearly 1.2 million rooms spread across 126 countries and territories.
Now, I will explain the digital ecosystem, the Hilton Honors app. The Hilton Honors app is powered by Hilton Honors, Hilton's global loyalty program with over 180 million members worldwide. Through this program, guests can earn and redeem points while enjoying exclusive benefits. The app is considered one of the most advanced in the hospitality industry and includes innovative features such as digital key, which allows guests to unlock their room doors using their smartphones. Another key feature is digital check-in and room selection.
Now I will talk about the vision and mission of Hilton. The vision of Hilton is to fill the earth with the light and warmth of hospitality. This means creating welcoming and memorable experience wherever they operate, making every guest feel valued, cared for, and at home. The mission is to be the world's most hospitable company by delivering exceptional experience to their guests, creating rewarding opportunities for team members, providing great values to owners, and making a positive impact in the communities we serve. Through this commitment, we aim to build lasting relationships and contribute to the success and well-being of everyone connected to their business. Now, I will talk about the problems the customer face during their vacation at Hilton Worldwide. Guests often experience delays during check-in and check-out because they need to wait at the reception desk, especially during peak hours. In addition, important hotel information is often scattered across different platforms, making it difficult for guests to quickly find what they need. Many guests are also unaware of nearby attractions, restaurants, and activities that could enhance their stay. When they require assistance, customer support may not always be immediately available, leading to frustration and reduced satisfaction. Another challenge is that guests frequently receive generic recommendations that do not match their individual preference and interests. Lastly, while digital key systems provide convenience, they rely heavily on Bluetooth technology, which can sometimes experience connection or synchronization issues. This may result in guests being unable to access their room or use better service until the issue is resolved.
The Express Smart Check-in and Check-out feature is designed to reduce waiting time at the hotel reception. Guests can complete their check-in process before arriving at the hotel through the mobile app. They can verify their identity using a QR code and Face ID, making the process faster and more convenient. Guests will also receive notification when their room is ready. For checkout, guests can leave the hotel without waiting at the reception counter. The system automatically provides a billing summary, and guests can complete the payment with just one click. This feature creates a smooth and contactless experience, improves guest satisfaction, and allows hotel staff to focus more on providing personalized service to guests.
First, after you log into the app using your account, on the home screen, tap the Quick Check-in button. Scroll down a little bit to find the QR code. Scan the QR code at the hotel check-in kiosk. Also, press the Complete Check-in button to complete your check-in. Or, instead of using the QR code, guests can choose Face ID. Simply scan your face and the check-in process will be complete by a press Complete Check-in button.
Another key problem identified is that hotel information is often scattered across different platforms, making it inconvenient for guests to find what they need. To solve this, we propose a centralized hotel information hub that brings all essential hotel information into a single application. Guests will be able to access the room service menu, view hotel facilities, check event schedule, make spa and restaurant bookings, read hotel policies, and find answers in the FAQ section, all from one place. This provides easy access to information anytime, reduces confusion, improves communication between guests and the hotel, and creates a smoother and more enjoyable user experience throughout the guest stays.
The second features we would like to demonstrate is the centralized hotel information hub. After logging into the app, scroll down until you see the hotel information section. Tap on it and you will find all the essential information you may need during your stay. Next, select the specific category or question you are looking for, such as facilities. The app will then display all the relevant information, including the available facilities and their details, making it easy for guests to access the information they need.
Next, I will explain the AI Local Discovery Assistant. One common challenge for travelers is the lack of information about nearby attractions, restaurants, and activities. This can make it difficult for guests to fully enjoy their destination. To address this issue, Hilton used an AI Local Discovery Assistant that provides personalized recommendations based on guest preference and location. The system can suggest tourist attraction, local restaurant, shopping destination, and entertainment venues. It can also create customized daily itineraries to help guests plan their activities more efficiently. This feature offers several benefits. It helps guests discover local attractions more easily, enhance their overall travel experience, and encourage them to spend more time exploring the destination. At the same time, it supports and promotes local tourism businesses. Overall, the AI Local Discovery Assistant makes travel more convenient, personalized, and enjoyable for guests.
Next, we will demonstrate the AI Local Discovery feature. This feature helps guests discover nearby attraction, restaurant, shopping, and entertainment. Guests can browse recommendations, use the search bar, or filter placed by category. Each recommendation also shows the distance and rating. To create a personalized itinerary, tap Generate AI Day Plan. The AI will generate a customized schedule based on nearby attraction. Guests can then tap Optimize Route for the best travel route or generate alternative route for another itinerary. This makes trip planning faster and more convenient.
Now let's talk about a key feature we are proposing for the mobile app to directly elevate the guest experience. The 24/7 AI concierge chatbot, the problem addressed. To understand why this is necessary, we have to look at a common pain point in hospitality. Customer support is not always available instantly. During peak hours or late at night, the front desk can get busy, leading to long hold time on phones or line at the lobby just for basic questions. Function and capabilities. Our solution is to introduce instant round-the-clock chatbot support right inside the app, as you can see highlighted in the mobile preview. This AI concierge is designed to immediately answer common guest inquiries and handle routine requests without needing human intervention. Specifically, it can assist guests with ordering room service, booking hotel facilities like the spa or gym, making transportation arrangements, providing general hotel information like pool hours or breakfast time. By implementing this feature, we unlock several major benefits. First and foremost, it provides immediate assistance for guests, drastically cutting down response time. But it's not just a win for the guests, it's also a huge win for operation. By filtering out this repetitive, common question, we drastically reduce the workload on hotel staff, freeing them up to handle more complex guest needs. Ultimately, this improves overall service quality and drives up customer satisfaction scores. So first, when you open our apps, you can see a chat. You click at the chat and you can see our AI concierge. At there, we can see our spa booking, room service, Wi-Fi, checkout, and taxi. There we get a full information about it. You also can type what do you want. It's easier because it's outside our.
After that, I will explain the personalized recommendation engine. A common issue in the hospitality industry is that guests often receive generic recommendations that may not match their interests or needs. To solve this problem, Hilton used a personalized recommendation engine that analyzes guest preference and previous stay history. Based on this information, the system recommends suitable restaurant activities, hotel service, and special promotion. Guests can also select their travel preference such as business, family, adventure, or relaxation to receive more relevant suggestions. This feature also provides several benefits. It delivers highly personalized recommendation, increased guest engagement, strengthens customer loyalty, and creates a more unique and customized experience for each guest. Overall, the personalized recommendation engine helps Hilton provide a more tailored and satisfying stay for its guests. Next, we will demonstrate the personalized recommendation feature. Guests can choose a travel category such as relaxing, adventure, family trip, or business. The AI will then suggest suitable activities and service. Finally, tap Plan Full Itinerary to generate a personalized itinerary based on your preference.
Moving on to our last innovation feature, which is the Smart Multi-Access Digital Key. The main issue with current digital key system is the hospitality industry is their heavy reliance on Bluetooth connection alone. As we know, Bluetooth frequently suffer from synchronization issue and connection drop, which can deeply frustrate guests trying to access their room. To solve this problem, our solution moved away from a single point of failure by introducing a triple access framework. This gives guests three alternative backup methods. First, the standard Bluetooth digital key. Second, a backup QR code room access. And third, an NFC tap to unlock technology. And what makes this even more reliable is its offline access capability and an automated emergency code generator that kicks in if all digital methods fail. By providing these multiple alternatives, we eliminate the risk of guests being locked out, which significantly increases room security and builds greater guest confidence in our technology. Now, let's take a look to look at how this feature actually works within our mobile app. As soon as guests log in, they are greeted by this intuitive home screen. Their room status, room 45, deluxe king, is clearly displayed right at the top. To access their key, guests can simply tap to the prominent digital key card or use the quick shortcut on the navigation bar below. This brings them to the main digital room key hub, where our triple access framework comes to life. By default, guests can select NFC tab for a fast, contactless experience or easily switch to Bluetooth. To unlock the door, all they need to do is stand near the lock and hold to unlock the gold center disc. But what if their experience connection drop? That's where our backup come in. With just a tap, guests can switch to QR code access. The app instantly generates a dynamic secure QR code with a live cooldown timer. Guests simply hold this up to the door scanner to gain entry. Furthermore, if all else fails, they can instantly hit generate to get a one-time emergency access code valid for 10 minutes. Best of all, notice the indicator at the very bottom, offline access available, because the app secretly caches the latest signed data. Guests can confidently unlock their room even with zero internet connection. This is what a true feel-safe guest experience looks like: smart, reliable, and always ready.
Next, for the implementation and challenges, let's look at a major turning point for the company, the Balance Scorecard, which has become one of the most famous case studies in Hilton's history. The challenge in the early 2000s, Hilton was expanding aggressively, but they hit a dangerous roadblock. While their overall revenue was climbing, guest satisfaction and loyalty were crashing. Frontline workers were ignoring brand standards, and management was jumping from one temporary tool to another, using what they call flavor of the month management strategies that just weren't sticking. To fix this, Hilton implemented a global balance scorecard. They shifted their focus from just tracking money to tracking four strict pillars: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. They made this highly actionable by tying it directly to managers' wallet. If a hotel didn't hit a specific day-to-day targets like bathroom cleanliness or front desk courtesy, the manager lost their bonuses. This simple move instantly aligned daily employee behavior with Hilton's global brand standards.
Next, let's take a look at how Hilton drives digital and tech innovation through their app and kiosk ecosystem, and the unique challenges they face during implementation. The biggest challenge for Hilton was their franchise business model, because 3% of their hotel buildings are actually owned by independent owners. Many of these owners were highly resistant to spending their own capital to upgrade expensive door lock, server network, and IT infrastructure. So, what the Hilton strategy? Instead of forcing them, Hilton used incentives. They create a massive direct booking incentive by making this highly demanded digital feature exclusive only to the Hilton Honor app. This successfully funneled millions of travelers to book directly through Hilton by passing third-party sites like Expedia, which typically charge hotel owner a hefty 15 to 20% commissions. One franchise owner saw the massive surge in highly profitable direct app traffic. They quickly realized that upgrading their popular tech was no longer an expensive burden, but the only was to get a slice of the incredibly profitable revenue stream.
This brings us to another massive challenge Hilton faces as they scale up global human resources and training. The challenge at this point, Hilton was operating across roughly 90 countries with hundreds of thousands of staff members. Their training method, it relied on expensive, inconsistent local classroom sessions and what they describe as dusty old paper manuals. This system was completely impossible to scale, especially during a period when Hilton was opening a new hotel almost every single day. Their solution was the launch of Hilton University, a massive, centralized, cloud-based e-learning platform. Now, getting decentralized hotel managers around the world to actually implement a new system is tough. To solve this, corporate executive personally met with regional heads to prove that this platform would significantly lower their local training costs. Furthermore, they didn't just leave it online, they built physical learning rooms inside the hotels, allowing frontline staff to easily step away and train during their actual shift. Moving on to our next section, let's take a look at Hilton's global skills and brand portfolio to understand just how massive their footprint is in the hospitality industry. Global presence, but what do these 24 brands look like in action? That brings us to their massive global presence. Today, Hilton features more than 7,500 properties worldwide. To put that into perspective, that translates to nearly 1.2 million rooms spread across 126 countries and territories.
In conclusion, the proposed Hilton Smart Stay mobile application provides an innovative and comprehensive solution to improve the overall guest experience. The application addresses common challenges faced by hotel guests, including long check-in and check-out queues, scattered hotel information, limited access to customer support, general recommendation, and digital key reliability issues. To overcome these challenges, the application introduced several key features such as expert check-in and check-out, an AI console checkbox, a personalized recommendation engine, and a smart multi-access digital key system. These features help create a more convenient, efficient, and personalized experience for guests through their stay. In addition of enhancing guest satisfaction, the application also benefits Hilton by improving operational efficiency, strengthening customer loyalty, and supporting the hotel's digital transformation initiatives. By leveraging modern technology and focusing on guest needs, Hilton Smart Stay helps Hilton maintain its competitive advantage in the rapidly evolving hospitality industry.